Today is very important session about how to start selling on eBay, doing the supply and demand analysis with one tool, which is my go-to tool I use for my eBay account. And do not miss this out, because if you're willing to start a business, or if you already have a business but if you want to expand a business by start selling on eBay, then this video is very helpful. Now, at any point, if you want to learn more about e-commerce, then go to my website called ecomhardy.com, and here you will find bunch of tools, tutorials, and everything. You will have blogs, WordPress based tutorials, Shopify based tutorials, and there are free tools available here. Also, if you are new and if you want to start business from scratch, you can use the alternative to WooCommerce CMS, which is Shopify, which is my go-to CMS platform right now. And this is the run and gun time-saving platform. Simply click to this one and you will have 3 days free access to find out how does it work and all. Now let me go back to our topic. Hey guys, myself Hardik Patel from ecomhardy.com. So today's topic is Shelftrend. So this is my go-to tool for my eBay account. This tool is free of cost if you are just doing the computer analysis, and there are some basic features involved. You can do analysis for 20 plus eBay marketplaces, and there would be data, tables, and charts. They will give you up to 250 queries per month, which is more than enough. You will get summary of data, pricing, sales, listing volume, and sellers for free of cost. If you really want to dig down deeper, then I would highly suggest you to go with their professional seller plan, because it's only $25 per month, which is US dollar. Of course, the feature it gives and the quality of data you will receive would help you to generate thousands and thousands of dollars on your eBay business. I am not affiliated with this tool, so I'm not making any commissions when I'm making this video. I'm just making this video out of Bloom to help you guys, okay? Because I'm using this tool, I like this tool, and I thought it's worth sharing. Now let me log into this tool, okay, and show you the backend or admin panel of this tool. So go to shelftrend.com and then you simply log in. The dashboard would look something like this one, okay? There is nothing much to learn about dashboard. Simply you have to click to new report. And today's topic is about supply demand. So I'm going to create a supply demand report, but you will also find 3 more videos I have made for new listing report, average weekly sales report, and top 500 live listing reports as well. So click to supply demand. I assume you already have the premium subscription now. If you're not, still you can gain the free report as well with limited data. So simply click supply demand, select your country of sale. So if you're selling on US or other countries, you can simply click and select the relevant country. I am selling only in Australia, so I just click to Australia. Now my supply demand research is for dog products, and mainly when you search or type in just dogs or dog, it will suggest you the highest ranking keywords, so which is dog bed, dog training collar, harness. So in the particular order, you will understand how popular are they and how good is for your business. So dog bed, I already started selling dog beds. Now my main target is to import dog harness. So I simply select dog harness, select and enter. And then sellers, if you want to have a competitive sellers in your mind, you can always type in the sellers by separated comma. But if you don't have sellers list, it's okay. Simply select the condition. I would go with new. Browse by category, simply select that. And all categories, instead of all categories, select and scroll down and select pet products, okay, or pet supplies. In the pet supplies, I would further select dogs, okay. So that's how you go, and I will keep dogs and all dogs categories, okay. Now I quickly run the report, and to build the report, it may take anywhere between 30 seconds to 5 minutes. So you have to be patient and wait for it. Now report has been generated. There are some basic data provided on the top panel. On the left hand side panel, you can adjust with a lot of filters. In the location filter, I will select Australia only, so it will eliminate other sellers who are from outside of Australia. I can also exclude older than 18 months. I can also exclude the single quantities if I want to, but I will keep as it is for now. and instead of all formats I will go with the fixed price, so it will exclude the auctions, auction binner, etc. There are 4 different menu options provided in the result. First is sellers, so you know which sellers are selling this kind of dog products, so you can simply also open any particular seller by clicking to seller and it will show what sort of product the seller is selling. Clear the search result and select another seller if you want to. Okay, so this seller has 5 products. Now I go back, clear it, and I have more data. I can also export the CSV of all the sellers. That way I have the seller's data handy when I want to look into their shops or eBay stores. Now, if I go to brands, you will see the list of brands which are doing the business in dog harnesses. So brands, there are a lot of unbranded products. About 319 listings are unbranded. 5 listings are also unbranded, but this is unbranded instead of unbranded. So altogether there are 324 listings unbranded. Now there are other brands, Express Buyers, Spot Dogs, and all these so on. You can always click to this brand and see how do they look like. You can click to any particular product as well, and you can open that product as well. Okay. But from here back in dashboard, you can also get more data, like this particular product is selling 4.56 times per week. So this seller is selling about 5 pieces per week, and altogether the revenue is $66 per week. Now let me clear the search results and go to listings, and here I have more data. Okay, now you see this particular product, this seller has sold nearly 2000 pieces. That's mind-blowing. So if I click to open it, you see here, you can see the product photos, you can see the description, you can see the colors, everything, and I can see the seller is posting from New South Wales and the estimated delivery is this much. You can click to postage option here and you see this seller post within 3 business days. So most likely this seller might be selling or drop shipping. In this business, I would recommend you to purchase or import the inventory from China, manufacture your own product from China or other countries like India or Taiwan or Thailand, etc., and start selling your own brand. These dog harnesses are kind of unbranded because you see here they are unbranded. There are 2 same dog harnesses here. You can see one is selling 39 pieces per week, one is selling 20 pieces per week, but the 39 pieces this seller is selling just for $16, and this one is average price is $21. So this seller is kind of making more profit per sale than this seller. Now this is the third seller which is selling at the same price, but still he's selling enough quantity. Now if I go down or scroll down, you see here there is another fourth one who is selling the same one for $21. Scroll down, this is fifth one, $20. So there are a lot of people who are selling similar ones and still they are getting enough sales per week. So there is an opportunity. But what if you don't want to go in $20 product range? You want to go with a bit higher product range so you can have more profit. I can simply on the left hand side panel, price range. So price, I want to check whether the product is selling minimum for $25 and maximum for $200. Okay. And you see here there is one seller selling this one, winter pet dog coat warm jacket. You can click to open it and view more photos, and basically it is nice product, makes or protects your dog in winter. So this can be emotional and handy product for your dogs. You see here this particular product is sold for 200, and you can see here this seller already sold 288 pieces and the average price is $26. Overall selling is 7 times per week. This is exact identical product. Another seller is selling for 5 times per week. Still there is an opportunity to sell at higher cost, higher margin. So this is the good way to research the supply and demand. This is another seller I found $37. Same product is sold like 0.36 times per week, so at least around 1 or 2 sales per month. Let me clear all the filters. Let me select Australia only, and I can export the CSV and I can check again later. If I want to check now, I can show you how does it look like. So this is the CSV file with all the relevant data. You also get the links of the product. Okay, so you can check at the later date, you can get the title and everything. Now, to be honest, if I want to decide and start selling the dog harness, I would focus on selling or finding this particular product at around $3 or $4 or $5 maximum, and so I can add $6 or $7 shipping cost. Altogether would be $12, and if I sell it for $20 at least, still I can get, after eBay fees and all, I can at least make a profit of 20%, which is not bad. I will start finding this particular dog harness. You can also do the same if you are willing to sell dog harness. Of course, this is the data you can use, but instead of copy pasting, you can do your own research in your own particular niche. So do your own research. This supply demand tool can be very handy for your business if you want to start selling on eBay. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to generate the new listings report and find what are the new listings in the market on eBay and how much they are selling, so you would know the new competition. Feel free to check it out. It's on the screen now. If you want to learn how to grow the e-commerce business by selling on eBay, Amazon, Shopify, etc., don't forget to subscribe this channel, because I make these kind of videos on this channel and it will help you, definitely help you to grow your business. Thanks for watching, guys. Please thumbs up to this video and comment me in comment box below if you have any questions or suggestions. Take care. See you next time. Bye bye.